quiet after the passion and sadness of the main majlis. Immerse yourself in verses of love. Join us as we delve into the sincere verses that echo the love for Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Resonating through the minbar, the pulpit of history. Each episode a solemn service to honor the spirit and sacrifice and resilience to recall and retell the tragedies of Aba Abdullah Hussain alayhi salam. Verses of love, a journey where every word, every line carries the weight of the famous cry, هل من ناصر ينصرنا? Is there anyone out there to support us? A call that transcends time and space. Tune in and let verses of love inspire you every night during the first 10 nights of Ashura, exclusively on Imam Hussein TV.